Now I will show you how to easily and quickly make money by trading cryptocurrency on futures. Okay, as you can see, for a start I have $500 on my balance. And first what you need to do, you need to change cross to isolated. And after you need to change 20 x's to 1x, confirm. This is very important and you need to check it every day before trading, because in another way you will easily lose your money. After that, firstly I open Bitcoin. I need to know where Bitcoin going now. And as you can see now, it's falling and quite quickly. So I choose a coin with the strongest volatility. Then for convenience we switch to a shorter timeline and we set the levels from which we will trade. After which I do a quick analytics of the coin. Basically I look at how much percent the coin can go down or up. Then it's very important to set an isolated trade with 1x each time. After which we do a more detailed analysis at the point where we will trade. Well, now we wait for the entry point from our level. While we wait, we find other interesting coins for trading. Again, we make levels and everything that I have already shown you. At the same time, do not forget to monitor the previous coin and look for an entry point. And while I was analyzing another coin, we got an entry point from our level in long. Now all that remains is to monitor the growth, and if the price goes in the wrong direction, we sell coins at the point where we bought it and do not lose money. At the same time, we monitor other coins where we have already conducted an analysis. Also, don't forget to follow Bitcoin. Okay, I found a new coin that has a strong level and I will take a long position from it. Just wait for a rollback to the bottom and buy a coin on it. Now we wait for it to grow. But if suddenly the price goes down, we will sell the coin after this level and get a teeny loss. At this time another coin went up, and if it breaks the level, I will immediately buy. Keeping my hand on the buy button, I waited about 2 minutes, and as soon as the price went up, I immediately bought the coin in long, after which I moved the timeline and found a selling point. Since we already have many open transactions, we add current profit, and as soon as the price reaches this value, the coin itself will fix the profit. Now we just wait until the coin grows. Again, if the price went down, I would sell the coin right at the entry point. Okay, just before reaching my level, the coin went down. Well, I closed the position manually, so we got $1.5 from this deal. At this time our previous deal finally went up, but after some time the coin again began to go down near my level. But since I was more confident in this deal, I waited for the position to close at my take profit. Now I have $3 in profit. Well, the last position we wait until the price reaches my level. I could have already fixed the profit, but there is an average level that we have already passed. Therefore I was confident in further growth, which is what happened, and we again closed it automatically at the very peak. As you can see, the price immediately went down, and in the previous coin where we closed it at the peak manually, the price also went down. As a result, we earned $6 in less than an hour. In this way you can easily earn $60 in 10 hours of trading. I showed you trading for beginners without risk and excess, and without trading the entire balance at once. If we traded $1000 instead of $100, the profit will be $60 per hour. But it's very important, if you are a beginner, do not trade large amounts. So thank you for watching, subscribe on this channel and see you in the next video.